How to get $100 GNC promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in GNC promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for GNC. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $20 off, 75% off, 65% off, and many more. Just scroll and check. And you can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here's the code, copy it. Then click on Redeem at GNC. You will be directed to the official website of GNC. After you land to the website of GNC, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers and deals. The process is same. Likewise, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for GNC. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 GNC promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.